The little lantern that wouldn't go out. In a dusty village where tall chimneys touched the sky, there lived a girl named Sana. Every morning she walked to the brickyard with her little brother, Imran. They worked hard shaping clay, stacking bricks, and carrying loads that felt too heavy for their small hands. But Sana had something special. She carried a tiny lantern her mother had given her. It didn't use fire. It didn't use batteries. Her mother said, "This lantern runs on hope." Sana didn't understand how that worked, but she kept it with her every day. One Tuesday morning, the sky was gray and the air felt heavy. Sana was tired. Imran was tired. Even the grown-ups looked worn out. As they worked, Sana whispered, "God, today feels too hard." She reached into her pocket and touched her little lantern. But when she pulled it out, she gasped. The lantern's light was very dim, almost gone. "Oh no," she said. "What if it goes out completely?" Nearby, a boy named Rahim noticed Sana looking sad. "What's wrong?" he asked. "My lantern is losing its light," she said. "My mother said it runs on hope, but today, I don't feel much hope." Rahim thought for a moment. Then he smiled. "Maybe hope grows when we share it." He picked up a heavy stack of bricks and said, "Let me help you with these." Sana felt a tiny warmth in her chest. The lantern flickered. Just a little brighter. The lantern spreads light. Imran tripped and dropped a pile of clay. He sat on the ground and cried. Sana knelt beside him. "It's okay," she said softly. "Everyone makes mistakes. Let's do it together." She helped him gather the clay again. The lantern glowed brighter. Then another girl, Amina, was coughing from the dust. Sana gave her some water. The lantern brightened again. Then an older worker dropped his tools because his hands were shaking. Sana picked them up and handed them to him with a smile. The lantern shone even brighter. At the end of the day, Sana looked at her lantern. It was glowing stronger than ever, warm, golden, beautiful. Rahim asked, "How did it get so bright?" Sana finally understood. "It doesn't run on my hope," she said. "It runs on God's hope, and God's hope grows when we share kindness." Rahim nodded. "So the more we help each other, the brighter it gets." Sana smiled. "And the brighter we get too." That night, Sana placed the lantern on a small shelf in her home. Its light filled the whole room. She whispered, "God, thank you for giving us hope that never runs out." And from that day on, whenever the children at the brickyard felt tired, sad, or scared, they remembered hope grows when we share it. And God's light shines brightest in the darkest places.